I can't wait.
The producer.
It's been a long time coming. It's been a long time, yo. Slip on many flows. Slip in the cars, you know. I can't wait. That's your proof. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. No, I can't wait. I can't wait. Ha, rich. I can't wait to shit on all them bitches, spit right in my face. I can't wait to get that corner mansion, bust you through the gate. I can't wait to see these pussy nigga faces when I make. I can't wait to shit on all these niggas. I can't fucking wait. I can't 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 wait. No, I can't wait. I can't wait. No, I can't wait. I can't wait.
I saw it coming.
Okay, so I think I might just put it in the title of this video. If you can tell by what's been going on in the videos, I have sold the 180SX as of yesterday or the day before. Someone locally is going to be buying it, paid my asking price for it. Pretty happy about that, free up some space, and I can get back to the Silvia. So I don't know if I explained it in any of my clips. Basically, this project was just drawing on too long, and I had quite a bit left to spend, and I knew I would just be scared to drive it in the end because it would be so, you know, perfected and be so nice and shiny and pretty. And I am going for more of a street drift car setup with the Silvia here. Right now I'm working on prepping the engine bay, clean up some of this stuff, and then we're going to be painting it white. I'm guessing the selling of the 180 is going to bring the question, which engine am I using? I am going to try out the KA. I'm going to give the KAT a shot in the Silvia, just because if you are familiar with the market right now, SR20s are becoming very, very, very expensive. I mean, I've seen full swaps going for 6,000–7,000 Canadian, not unheard of.
What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be showing off these.
This guy has no idea what's happening. I just told him to come here because this would be awkward if I did it alone. But thank you to Matt from irace Autosports, Silvers Canada. We're now working with them for the Silvia and just basically everything for the future. So very excited for that. Thank you, Matt. Can't thank you enough for this opportunity. But yeah, here we go. We're going to be unboxing the Silvers NEOMAX for the S13 Silvia, which we're
Silvers
unboxing.
is a strip club here.
Yeah, Silvers is a strip club in Windsor.
So when he said we're going to open up a Silvers, I thought...
Not affiliated with Silvers North America.
And a pack of Welch's.
Oh, that nice.
Very fresh.
What flavor was that one?
Orange. You want one? Oh. Just take one out right now. Don't have to.
Oh my gosh.
Silvers. Not the strip club. I'll rate this a 7 out of 8.
So 9.5 out of 9.10.
Real nice bushing at the bottom.
No, this is actually really nice. Very high quality. Colors look beautiful.
Not cheap.
No.
Not cheaply made.
Nope. irace, the boys, if you need anything at all, they have literally everything. And I'm not joking, these got here in like 18 hours. I paid my invoice yesterday and they're here this morning. Very fast. So, thank you very much. Oh.
They also have Subarus. Here you go. This is a
If
large
you have
list.
any of these vehicles.
Very cool, man. Very cool. Very jealous. But, oh. They stand up.
Nice. We're gonna go take these out in the rain and get some cinematic shots because why not?
Oh.
NEOMAX. Thank you iRace. Thank you Silvers. You guys all rock. If you need anything at all, make sure to give them a ring. All right, see ya.
This fucking guy's been tailgating me ever since I left your house.
Be driving?
Matthew McConaughey's personal vehicle, but he told me I have to do a commercial.
Are you ever driving Lincoln? If not, you should. I'm Matthew McConaughey for Lincoln. I drive it, but I don't need to. It drive itself. It doesn't drive itself.
So we're here. This is Jacob, owner of the 180SX now. Who knows? We're gonna see what he does with it. We're gonna see where it ends up. I'm sure this won't be my last time seeing it. I'm sure I'll be here to help once he.
Last time seeing it, we're literally 30 minutes
Yeah,
away.
we're
We
not
can
far
literally
from home.
come
Yeah, we
see
come
it.
see it anytime, which is gonna be nice. It's not going to the middle of nowhere. I'll be able to touch it again, and then I'll get to see this guy cruising it, which will be exciting. I know he's pumped for it. So, all right, say peace out. Until next time. Until we're doing a video on it.